We're headed to a house in Plano, Texas that we got with zero money in and zero credit checks by becoming the bank. Now, this one though, it's a fix and flip. So a lot of people think that they have to have money and credit to get into real estate investing. And today I'm gonna show you guys how that isn't true.
I'm a go-getter, they some go-getters, we some go-getters, hope you a go-getter. Let's get it. I'm a go-getter, they some go-getters, we some go-getters, hope you a go-getter. Let's get it. I'm a go-getter, hustle to the end, we some no-quitters, knock it out the park, we for show hitters, right left hemisphere, that's a dome splitter, yeah. We control our own destiny, make moves, cultivate whole legacy, creative finance, bring more ecstasy, the right ingredients, now that's a dope recipe.
We don't have any money in this deal, okay? The secret to this, and make sure you got your pens and pencils, the secret to this is partnering with your contractor. I don't like to do fix and flips because I don't like to babysit grown men and pay for the materials, oversee the repairs. So a lot of contractors, they want to become investors, but banks won't give them financing because they're not W-2 employees, but they usually have plenty of money. So by partnering with them, they've got some skin in the game. So they do the work, pay for the materials, oversee the repairs. This way you can wash your hands of that, and we just put the transaction together. So it was a great deal. So this house is in Plano, Texas, which is the hottest market in Dallas right now. And we've got 2 students in this market that are multifamily investors, but in multifamily, you get your money down the road. So they needed some now money. So they came to me to learn subject to and creative financing. And right away, they were knocking down deals. So they brought us this deal. They were joint venturing on it, and it was in foreclosure. They were about $70,000 behind. Now, the thing about it is we're not keeping this deal because it's a conventional mortgage. So take this note, conventional mortgages, those are harder to work with when they're in foreclosure. They're harder to get the bank to give you options to restructure that mortgage and to just take that mortgage over. So what attracted me was the hot market. There's about $200,000 in equity in this deal, but we put in $110,000 worth of work. So the equity, the fact that it was in foreclosure, and we don't have to pay any money to the seller until after we sell this house. So that's another way to get in it with no money. The property's in great condition now. We put $110,000 worth of work in, so it's beautiful. Everything is redone. Everything from the trim all the way to the pool in the back. This house is absolutely beautiful. So it's fixed up. This is why we're listing it with our realtor, because it's move-in ready, right? A lot of times what we do with creative financing is not do any of the work and sell it to a tenant buyer, and then we just give them credit for the repairs. But with this one, there was just way too many repairs. So whenever you get into a deal and there are a lot of repairs, you don't want to do those repairs, just partner with your contractor. They'll do the work quicker, cheaper, and a better quality because they have skin in the game. Okay, let's go take a look at the Plano property. Fully remodeled. Okay, now we're gonna take a tour of this place, and I want you guys to be taking good notes because I'm gonna show you how we fixed this house completely, fixed it completely with no money in the deal, no credit checks, okay? My name is Gene Boykin. I'm the founder of the GoGetter Family Real Estate Investing Academy. During this video, I'm gonna show you not only how we bought this house with no money out of our own pocket, no credit checks, but also how we got the repairs done without having to put the money in, oversee the work, or buy the materials. This is called creative financing. So hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel and you feel like I bring you some value, I want you to consider subscribing. All right, so let's check it out. So I want to show you guys every piece of this house. You guys see the little nook over here, huge living room. It's kind of an open layout, right? Kitchen, all redone. And this work was done by our contractor. We had no money in this deal. So The seller was in foreclosure and she didn't know what to do. This thing has been in foreclosure for about 2.5 years. She's been trying to fight it. Now she was trying to sell it before, and you guys are gonna see some before pictures that this place was horrible. We put about $110,000 to $115,000 worth of work into this place. So she couldn't sell it like it was. She needed our help, right? We don't buy houses, guys, we buy problems. If you can solve that problem, you get a house in return. So we partnered with two of our students up here and with the contractor. I like to do no money deals. This is where I come from. I started this with $1,700 in my pocket. Look at this beautiful wall, this accent wall. It's got the fireplace in here. This place is amazing. I believe it is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Got a surprise for you guys in the backyard. This is what Subject to and creative financing can do for you. Here's the main bathroom. This part is my favorite part. There's a pool in the back, as you guys can see. I'm gonna bring you guys out there, but let me tell you where we found this deal. We found this deal on public record, guys. The foreclosure list is public record. Most markets are gonna have at least a monthly auction. So here in Texas, they call it Super Tuesday. It's the first Tuesday of every month where mortgage foreclosures and then delinquent tax foreclosures go up for auction. So what we do is get to these people before the auction. If you get to them before the auction, you don't have to buy it sight unseen. That's a huge risk for investors. And then you have the ability to negotiate with the seller, right? So you can get a better deal on it and negotiate terms where we're getting their equity on layaway, essentially. Okay, now since this one is a flip, we're gonna pay the seller her $25,000 from the proceeds of the sale. We're gonna pay our realtor 2%, our listing realtor, and then we're gonna pay the buyer's realtor 2%. So it's a 4% fee of the sale. So if we sell it for $520,000, I believe that's $20,000 that the 2 realtors would be paid. None of that comes out of our own pocket. It's all about structuring a good deal, having the right paperwork. But let's check out this pool. Look at this 4 Seasons room as well. This is beautiful. Hanging out here, you can have dinner in here, dinner parties, right? Have your coffee in the morning, overlooking the pool, your kids out here playing. Now check this out. Here's the pool. This is the power of Subject to, guys. This is the power of the Subject to strategy, being able to take over a mortgage, because there's no way a bank would have gave us or anybody financing on this property because it was in such disrepair. So when we're able to come in and take over the mortgage, we don't have to worry about getting financing to pay off the underlying loan. Most powerful strategy in all of real estate, but very few people do this correctly, okay? So if you wanna learn to do it correctly, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. Look at this pool back here. This is amazing. Beautiful. Partnerships, guys. Partnerships, right? So that's all we did. We got the deal brought to us by our students, helped them to close it, and then we partnered with a contractor. That's how you stay no money deals and no credit checks. So let's check out this driveway. There is a driveway and a garage. Got the little pool house back there. Beautiful. They even redid the driveway. This looks great. So guys, if you want to learn how to do Subject to and creative financing and get started in real estate the right way, you can do deals that no other real estate investors are even able to do. They can't even conceive of doing these deals. But the first thing is you have to have the knowledge, you have to have the network, and then you have to have the tools. So once you do that, then you're in the game. And 2025 is right around the corner. And the market is changing. We've got a new president in there. There's more money in the market right now, and interest rates are going down. So if you've been sitting on the sideline all of 2024, just waiting for the right time, I'm here to tell you there is no right time, but there's another year down, and that's another year that you could have had in the game. So if you want to get started today, I want you to click that link in the description. We've got free resources and other trainings for you guys, all right? So don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, let's get to it, y'all.
I'm a go-getter, they some go-getters, we some go-getters, hope you a go-getter. Let's get it. I'm a go-getter, they some go-getters, we some go-getters, hope you a go-getter. Let's get it. I'm a go-getter, hustle to the end, we some no-quitters, knock it out the park, we for show hitters, right, left hemisphere.